Hi guys, today we are gonna discuss one of the famous sonnets of P.B Shelley, and that is Ozymandias. Let's move and discuss it. Well, in order to understand the sonnet, first we should understand the title of it. And believe me, if you understand the title and after that understanding a sonnet will be a piece of cake for you. Ozymandias is a Greek name for Ramesses II. He is also known by Ramesses the Great. Basically, Ramesses II was a king of Egypt, and he ruled Egypt for 67 years and 13th century. Actually, Ozymandias or Ramesses II was a king of Egypt, but he loved himself more than his subjects. Along with his cruelty, he was famous for architecture, military leadership, and administrative qualities. As we came to know that Ozymandias is the name of Egyptian king. Now let's discuss the sonnet. I met a traveler from an antique land, who said two vast and trunkless legs of stone stand in a desert. The author or the speaker of the poem says that he met a traveler from an antique land. Antique land means old land. So the traveler was from a place with an ancient history like Rome or Egypt. The traveler told the author that he saw two gigantic stone legs of a statue in the middle of desert. The statue was trunkless, which means that legs were standing there but without the upper body, and the upper body was missing. Near them, on the sand, Hobbes sung a shattered visage lies, whose frown and wrinkled lip and sneer of cold command. It means near the standing legs, the traveler also came across the broken head of the statue, and that was partially buried in the sand. Visage means face, but here it implies the head of the statue. The traveler goes on to describe the face of the statue, which was lying on the sand and had the expression still visible and identifiable of the mighty ruler Ozymandias. The traveler has used words like frown, wrinkled lip, and sneer of cold command, which give us an impression that the king was an angry and commanding man.
Till that its sculptor will those passions rid, which yet survive, stamped on these lifeless things, the hand that mocked them, and the heart that bid.
In these lines, the attention is shifted from the statue to the sculptor who created it. The traveler admires that the sculptor or the artist felt and understood passions and emotions of the king very well. That is why he copied the face and created it perfectly, and it is still visible. The words "which yet survive" indicate the immortality of the work of artist, because his creation is still alive and visible on the lifeless stones. And on the pedestal, these words appear: My name is Ozymandias, King of Kings. Look on my works, ye mighty, and despair. Now again, these lines shift to the statue. The traveler quotes the words which was written on the pedestal. The inscription declares the name of the king. And on the pedestal, these words are written: My name is Ozymandias. Here, Ozymandias considers himself king of the kings, and he addresses others who think themselves powerful to look at king's work and get their illusion shattered. In simple words, here Ozymandias is giving warning to the other kings not to hope for much greatness, as they can never cross his achievements. Nothing beside remains round the decay of that colossal wreck, boundless and bare, the lone and level sands stretch far away. Eventually, here comes the final words from the traveler, and he says that nothing remains except the ruins and the sands all around. The colossal wreck hints that how the gigantic statue is dusted with its passions, and all that remains is the ruined, scattered pieces of his statue lying half buried in the vast desert. It means being the mightiest of the mighty kings has failed in front of the powerful element of time which destroys everything.